And after a lot of checking, it seems that on this wire 291 it's a short to ground. So on 291 it's a short to ground. And now I'm under the truck. Found this 291A wire, which is shorted to ground, and something was made here. Oh, okay. And it looks like a short to plus. It's melted, so that means it's possible to be another wires can be shorted, and I see it's around here. Yeah, okay, let's go up. So it can be here, around here. Well, now this is the harness, and the wire, our wire, this 291A. Okay. So exactly what I said. Also, other wires are shorted. Impossible to find without cutting and searching. More safety, let's put also some tape. Because this wire is very important. It's the plus 15 for the engine computer, one of the plus. Okay, now let's see. So it doesn't show that fault, that 200. No. Let's try again. Oh, good.
It's alive!
Finally. Job done. Let's put it back together now. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See ya.